Yo, how's it going, guys? Today I'm back for another video, and today I'm showing you guys what came in my new Rubik's Cube. Once I scramble this thing up and then solve a side. So yeah, I can only find one thing. Actually, two things. The cube came with it. Well, same thing. Whatever. And extra stickers. Extra stickers. I don't know what this one is for. I think it's for like to put in the stickers. I think. I don't know. So we got green, orange, red, yellow. So yeah, watch me solve the side. Done. So yeah. Oh, and it also came with instructions that I can't find. It came with instructions of how to solve one. Do the cross first, but I was trying to go through the algorithm and something wasn't adding up, and I was probably doing the algorithm wrong, or I was just probably making up some stupid things. But yeah. Wait, it also came with a box that probably my mom threw away. And here's Fred. First time revealing him. First time revealing Fred. Llama. Oops. It didn't come with the water. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and share the friends, rejoice, subscribe for now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Sorry if this is a short video, but yeah, peace out. Bye!